Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making this quick and easy rice and chicken dish. We'll start by placing a pot on a medium heat, add vegetable oil and some onion, saute for 30 seconds. Then add bay leaves, about 4 leaves of it. We will add 150 grams of tomato paste. In this video, I used Fiorini double concentrate. You can use any tomato paste of your choice. Saute for about 3 minutes. Then we'll add our blended mix, which is fresh tomatoes, onions, ginger, bell pepper and some habanero pepper. Mix together, cover and allow to cook until it's about 70% done, or simply cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's time to add some spices to it. You can use any spice of your choice. In this video, I used paprika powder, mixed herbs, garlic powder, curry powder and 2 crushed Maggi cubes. Mix together and cover to cook for 5 more minutes. Remember to add your salt. It's time to add your washed rice. In this video, I'll be using 3 cups of long grain rice. You can use basmati if you prefer. Just remember to wash any of the rice you're using before adding to the pot. Next, we will be adding our chicken or meat stock, just enough to cook the rice through. Mix and cover to cook. While the rice is cooking, we will move over to the chicken. In this video, I used chicken wings. You can season it anyhow you want, but for my own preference, I used onion, fresh ginger and fresh garlic. You can grate it like I'm doing, or you can just blend all the ingredients together and add all at once. We will add the rest of the ingredients, which is cayenne pepper, crushed Maggi cube, paprika powder, some salt, and for a secret ingredient, baking powder. Baking powder locks in the moisture in the chicken, thereby resulting to a juicy chicken. Marinate very well and make sure each of the chicken is coated with the spices. Place the chicken on a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Place in the oven to grill. While that is grilling, we'll come over to check on our rice. At this point, it should be 60% done. Then we mix it so that the ones under can come up and the ones on top can go below, so that it will all cook evenly. Then we'll cover to cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's completely done. There is no moisture and the rice is looking so luscious. Let's check on our grilled chicken. Mine is ready. You can leave yours to grill some more if you want it to be drier. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe. I would also love to read about your opinions, your questions, your recommendations. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.